Let's buy Bitcoin via Lightning using Bringin, the complete Bitcoin app. We'll choose Buy Bitcoin. I'll select my Bitcoin spending wallet, which is my non-custodial Bringin wallet. I'll choose to buy 50 euros worth of Bitcoin. I'll review the details and confirm the payment. Bringin is now going to withdraw the 50 euro from its balance to purchase the relevant Bitcoin. I'll enter in an OTP to verify my identity. Bringin is now going to transfer the Bitcoin to the intended wallet, which is my non-custodial wallet. The purchase has been successful. In the home screen, I see that the balance has been updated with a deduction of 50 euros. I'll hop over to the Bitcoin tab, specifically my Bitcoin spending wallet, and I see that the amount has been topped up with the relevant Bitcoin. And that's how you can easily buy Bitcoin using Bringin via Lightning.